Hello friends, welcome to Python programming language basic tutorial. In this video, we will see installation and running Pythons on different platforms like Windows, Linux, Android, and how can we run Python online. So first of all, we have this official website python.org from where we can download from download session, or if you want to download the documentation related to the Python 3.6, here is the link. So in Windows, how can we install the Python? First of all, we check either our operating system is a 32-bit or 64-bit. After that, we can download installer from the website, and after that, we can select install as normal Windows program. So first of all, we check. Here I am on the python.org. So here we have different options. So first of all, we go to downloads and check the Windows here, and here we can download this Python 3.6.4. If based on your operating system, which installer you want to install. This is for 32-bit operating system. This is for 64-bit operating system. So click based on your operating system. How can we check either our operating system is 32-bit or 64? Just right click on computer and properties. Here we can see 32-bit operating system. Based on that, we have to download this one. After downloading the installer, just double click on this Python run custom installation. Why this default installation is somewhat different. So for easy access, we can use custom installation. And second thing is you have to select this add to Python path. So we can access this Python in uh, by using command or cmd prompt. This just next, and it will download the Python. How we can check our Python is installed or not? Cmd command prompt, and just I have to type here Python, and just enter. Here we can see the Python version, which Python version is this, and here we can get to exit this. Just type exit and parenthesis enter. It's gone. Second is here we can check Python this ID, and just click here. It will open a window. Here is the Python. So this way we install the Python in Windows operating system. And okay, if you're not able to get Python from command prompt, then you should set the path for that installer, or where we install the Python, we have to set that path. So in Windows, in Linux installation, it is default. We have Python 2.3 and 3.5 installed in the Python versions. If you want to install latest one, we have to add this one in Debian based operating systems. So line by line, you have to execute this line and then update that one. How to access Python in Linux? Just I have to open terminal and type Python. Since I'm having different versions of Python here in Linux, so I have to specify which version I want to install. If no version is there, it will take 2.7. To exit that one, just exit parenthesis exit. Now Python 3.6 I want to access. Here we can check 3.3. Exit that one, exit this one. So okay, in Android we have different versions like QPython application is there, or Bionic Python interpreter application is there. You may search in Google Play Store. And okay, Now our next topic is how to interact with Python. There are two ways to interact with Python. One way is interactive mode. Second one is normal mode. So in interactive mode, we just use command prompt from Windows or IDELE from Python software. In Linux, we use shell or terminal. Interactive mode provides line-by-line execution of the program. Why we are using interactive mode? To learn the Python, and second one, test functionality of the any modules, or just to verify the functionality of the module. The drawback of interactive mode is when we exit from that interactive mode, then we can't get variables which we are defined in that interactive mode. So for just learning purpose, we can use interactive mode. Let's see the interactive mode. Here I am typing cmd and python. Here it is a interactive mode. So first we will use as Python interpreter as a calculator. Just see. Okay, -2. Okay, so this is a interactive mode. When I close this one, then I am unable to use the variables or functions which I am defined here before that one. So this is just for learning purpose. So interactive mode is just for learning purpose. So second one, we have normal mode or batch mode. In that we are using editors or IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. In editors we have Notepad, Notepad++, if we are using Windows, or gedit, Nano, vi, vim editor if we are using Linux. If we want to use IDEs, we have different type of IDEs. We can check here. This PyCharm, it designed for Python, and NetBeans with some extension we can use, and Eclipse with PyDev. So let's now we can also run the Python online. Just we have to search in any search engine online Python. We will get some links. Here are some the Python anywhere, this ripple.it or jgoogle.com. Here we have. So first of all, check the version of Python. So we are using Python 3 now. Okay, we are in Windows. This is Notepad. I installed and downloaded. So this, from here we can create our program and run and save. We have different features related to IDE or this editors. First we have syntax highlighting. So we are getting different type of colors for different type of concept, just like function or any variable we can get. So by default, one IDE is there, Python. Just we have to type Python, and we have to select first IDLE. This here we can get. Here we can get this one, integrated development and learning environment is here. This IDLE work as IDE or uh, uh, interactive mode. So first we will say our traditional Python program or traditional any program. Just see, when I am typing parenthesis, it will show some hints, so we can get what type of function and what type of value it will take. So our first program, hello world, traditional program, hello world. This is the first program. Hello world, just this print function will print whatever inside this double quote, or we can print as it print in single quote. Also we can get same result. So here are two ways we can check. Second one mode, we have this batch mode or normal mode. Here we can see new file. Here we have to type some print. Here we have to type our statement, then we have to save it, or we can use it by using F5 by going to run and this run module, or just F5. Here we can check. Before that we have to save it. Okay, save it, give it the name, just test. Okay, save. Here we are getting the output, hello world. So this is our file. We can say it as a source file, and to run it, just we have to press F5 here. It will show the result. Just compare with this here. Third method, we can run our Python program from Notepad. Okay. Okay. How to run our Python program in Notepad++. So first thing is we have to download and install both Python and Notepad++. Then open Notepad++ and type our program with extension py. So remember that extension, file name, and whatever the file name, and .py. Third thing we have to do in Notepad++, go to run, or we can press F5, and there we have to select the python.exe where we downloaded in our C or default location. Then we have to add this string here. I'm just copying it. So I'm copying. Okay, this is our program. I saved it as a test.py. We can check, and this is Notepad++. Now go to run, and this, and I have to select the Python interpreter which I stored in C drive. Here is it, open. Then I have to add this current path. I am adding that one, and just see it is running and disappearing. So to stop it, I have to type input. It will wait for user input. Here we can check. Okay, just I have to save it once. F5. Okay, now see the output. Here is the output. So this next video we will learn about some basics of Python. If you are Hindi or Urdu speaker, you can check our other channel, Urdu Virtual Academy, on YouTube. If you like this video, then share it, subscribe the channel. Thank you.